In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace a bathtub faucet knob, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and you're looking at the to-do list. You remember your bathtub knob looks like it fought the greatest fight of its life and it lost. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. An elevator down to the basement where you only need a key and you don't have one, but we have it. A back is a back. The first thing that you're gonna need is a home. But if you wanna fix the neighbor's house, that's okay too. The next thing that you're gonna need is a bathroom, hopefully with a bathtub and a knob. And after you have those important things other than yourself, then we hopefully have the correct knob. And the best way to verify this is by removing the old knob, comparing it to the one that you're gonna purchase. And the key feature that's gonna let you know which one is the correct one is the notch on the inside. Some look like diamonds, some are circled, some look like squares, but we know you got this. And depending on your system, if you want to choose to close the valve that gives water to that line or close the main line, but if you choose to leave the line open, a pro tip, make sure you click or pull the diverter so you won't get water showering from the top as you work. We want to get a towel or rag and place it at the bottom. The last thing we want is any pieces taking a trip through paradise. Now that we filled your brain with data, we're ready to start. The first thing that we want to do is remove that cap from the faucet handle, and you can usually do this with a flathead screwdriver or sometimes your beautiful strong nails, but we want to save that for another day. If we look inside the faucet handle hole that now we created, lowering the value of your home, we will see a screw that holds the handle in place. In this particular case is a Phillips screw. In your case it may be a flathead screw or a bolt. No matter which you have, the technique is going to be the same. We're going to use the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And depending on the gunk and grime the faucet has stashed for years and years, once the screw is removed, the handle should come off easily. And now you've done it. You broke your bathroom again. And what we're basically going to do is reverse engineer our way to glory. We're going to place our knob, then we're going to place our screw, and finally our cap. And remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Always remember when placing the cover to make sure you have the cold to the cold and the hot to the hot, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is that your spouse, partner, friend, or family member, or even roommate on the household going to take a bath thinking it's cold water and then big surprise. And now you've done it. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Knob controlling is in your arsenal now. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.